All right, Stephen. Company that we've talked to several times, Hammerspace, is very happy today because they have secured a $56.7 million funding round to enhance sales and marketing efforts for their software that manages and locates unstructured data elements across data centers and users. Now, we've talked to them several times over the years, and they had previously been funded by insiders like our friend David Flynn and some angel investors. Does this round reflect a new day for the company and a new path forward?
I really think it does. As you mentioned, David Flynn, who was well known for companies like Fusion IO, he was the founder of Hammerspace and brought in a great group of people, a great intellectual property, and just the right focus on data, not so much storage. And this has been a market that is developing over time, but frankly has developed fairly nicely. We've seen a lot of uptake of the Hammerspace product, including notably the Blue Origin team developing rockets to rival SpaceX. That's in the press release. And I think that the fact that companies like that are relying on Hammerspace for such an important aspect like data management is really, I think, says it all when it comes to what this company is all about. The fact that they were able to fund themselves without getting a funding round, an official funding round before this, is pretty impressive. But also, it shows that the company was running it carefully, managing their finances carefully, and running fairly lean to make sure that they really had a product that was going to work and a market that was going to work. And I think that that's what this signifies. Basically, the company has gotten to the point where they've said, yeah, this is going to work. I think we're going to need more funding round. We've kind of outgrown the proverbial garage, and it's time to build it up a bit. Also, I would say that often funding rounds are used to set the value of a company, and that could be a indicator that there's some interest in an acquisition. I wouldn't be surprised if that happened either, because there are quite a few companies in the enterprise storage, enterprise IT, and cloud space who could use something like Hammerspace. So either the company grows into a bigger and more formidable competitor on its own, or maybe it gets acquired on the basis of this funding round valuation. But either way, I'd say that this is good news for Hammerspace, and it shows that the market is looking for a scalable data management platform.